marinated. So what I have here is I put some Highland spice salt. This is our highest spice salt, and then I put in some garlic salt, and then pepper with some herbs, which I have here. If you guys take a look here, I added some of these herbs in there, and some sesame oil and some Worcester sauce. So that marinated overnight. It smells really good. All that odor of the chicken is gone pretty much. So I'm going to use it to cook it up, and I'm going to cook it up with this gnocchi here. So yeah, so I think it'll turn out pretty well. And then I'm going to add some probably some carrots to it. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back and I'll do a quick taste test. Alright guys, so here it is all cooked up with the gnocchi, and as you can see, it's totally seasoned and it turned out pretty well. I'm going to do a quick taste test. It's got really good flavor. It's got the flavor of the sesame oil. It's got the herbs in there. And you know that odor of the chicken that when it sits for a long time in your fridge? It doesn't have any of that. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.